There. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the lens onto this Y concept titanium frames. Okay, so this frame is what we call a groove mounting methods. So groove mounting means that the lens has a groove all along the edge of the lens, and that this groove is secured by this Eyewear at the bottom, and also a nylon wire on top. So the Eyewear at the bottom is kind of flat, so that it kind of can be embedded into the groove of the lens. So first, I'm going to position this lens so that the one corner of the lens is embedded into the Eyewear, and in this case I picked this lower left corner. So now, as you can see, it's now embedded into the lens. Okay, and I'm going to use my fingers to hold this lens into position. Okay, so it doesn't move. And the next step is to basically fish this nylon wire through the groove into the rest of the lens. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to use something very common. This is like a dental floss. Make sure you give yourself plenty of length. And first of all, you're going to feed this through the gap right here. Okay, so it goes through. And then you're going to twist it onto your fingers, your index fingers. Okay, and so now, in the meantime, keep this securely embedded at this corner with your fingers. And so I'm going to position it so that the nylon wire will be aligned with the groove of the lens. So in this case, it's now aligned. As you can see, it's into the groove. And I'm going to slowly move this dental floss along the groove until I reach the end. You will hear a click sound. And so now everything is mounted into the wire. Okay, and then so all you need to do now is just to pull the dental floss away, and then your lens is now installed onto this Y concept frames. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all.